Okay, hello. Today we are going to unbox Amati Ninja Caravel of Christopher Columb. Okay, 165 scale. Okay, we have short manual with explanation of each step and a list of materials. Okay. Box with a second the knife, box with hull, parts. I not opened it before. Okay, so hull part. So leather car parts in a plywood, decks, okay. I think this is it's not plywood. I think it's nut tree or whatever. Okay. Drawings. Come here. Okay. Yes, it's. I think it's 1-to-1 scale with the model. Drawings with all parts numbered here. Probably didn't fit on frame. Manual on Italian. And yes, it's I think one drawing. The view of finished ship. Sailboat. Okay, nice. Sails. It's already cut out from fabric, and I think it's almost ready to fit the ship. Something else. Flag. Don't know what the material is, but okay, flag, nice. One more flag. It looks like a fabric. And one more instruction. Yes, it's black and white photo manual. Each step is photographed, so you would know what to do, and it's these figures, the steps is explained in the manual, which I showed before. Okay, what else? So for masts and sail holders, hangers, so whatever it's called. Okay, it's hull planking. It's for first layer planking. This is also for hood planking. It's for second layer and deck planking. Also, we have here is it's still recording. Yes, it's still recording. Probably it's, but okay. Sailboat or sloop, it's casted metal. Not sure that I will keep it. Maybe better to make wooden one. Okay, set of 2 anchors. Okay, this is copper parts. I think it's for 4 deck windows and some anchor bolts and metal mesh. Not sure why I need this. Threads for rigging, barrels, guns, anchor bolts, some rings, barrels, and blocks. It's part for also for foredeck, and don't know how it's called. These blocks, I think it's yes, it's correct shape. It's not the rounded one. I think on the box picture it's rounded. Yes, on the picture it's rounded, but here is triangle shape. This is correct one. Well, some deck stuff, blocks. It's wooden motor pipe and parts for deck windows, or how it's called, not sure. And I think that's it. So this kit is not it's not included. It's nails. So I bought it separately. It's these nails for first layer of hull planking. So if you will use this method of planking, you need to buy nails separately. And I think that's it, what we have in the box. Thanks for watching.